utanu munene kwa enenthi manthi ino ya Kenya na mwakelo ine cia Mutu Kutheea nginya silingi miongo kenda. Matangaaswa ala matangaaswa kwa muthenyani wa umuthi ni minisita muveani wa uimi ula ni Willy Bett.
The 2 kilogram packet of maize flour will retail at Kenya shillings 90 and 1 kilogram packet at Kenya shillings 47 shillings, starting to roll out from tomorrow. This temporary intervention will continue until our production stabilizes and stock normalizes. So we expect this intervention to take not a very long period, because we are expecting a crop of the crops, the harvest of the long season within the next 4 or 5 months.
Bett ainena na aandiki mauvoo nyumbani ya Kilimo House niwese kana Thooa wa Mutu onambatite kwatiania na munya ula wende na kwikinyia vanthi ya Kenya.
From late last year, Kenya and the rest of the nations in the East African region were faced with a severe drought. The prolonged drought, which is still ongoing, resulted in famine in parts of our nation. As a consequence, the drought has severely disrupted normal cultivation and supply of staple foods. The country has faced unusually sustained pressure on the available food commodities, leading to escalated prices as of today. Presently, maize prices locally stands at an average of 4,620 Kenya shillings, compared with maize prices in the region, which is at the moment retailing at an average of 4,300 per 90 kilogram.
Waingi minister huyo ni waisekana serikali ya Kenya taifikia na kukwatana na miveani ingi kwikithia kana ni athinikia munyao usu.
In partnership with the United Nations, Red Cross, local NGOs, and the private sector, we mobilized the resources to mitigate the consequences of the drought.
Wakavinda ne Bett nuvikie na kuhetakana ngunia ya mbemba ya kilo miongo kenda oyo ikathoa kwa silingi ngili ile na mana atatu.
The government has now entered into a subsidy program in partnership with the importers and millers, who will now access maize at Kenya shillings 2,300 Kenya shillings per 90 kilogram bag.
Nilivotia chini TV kumava nyumbani ya Kilimo House ni musini wa Ilovi nita wa Erastus Kithuku Nzomo.